Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about signature line. Signature line is an option through which we can insert digital signature in our document. But for this we have to keep a copy of signature in our system. First we have to scan our signature and then we an image of those signature we have to keep in system so that we can insert that signature in our document. For this, first of all, we will write a letter like this. Like this, I write a letter. In this letter, I have to put signature. So for this, we will go to insert signature line. First, if you want to insert some detail, here we will insert the detail of recipient, this letter, and if you want to insert date, for date we will go to date and time, and here we will insert date. And if you want to insert time, for time we will go to this date and time and we will insert time like this. Beside this, if you want to insert company name, we can insert also from field like this. We'll go to insert quick part fields, and here we will select company. Yeah, not company name, we will document information, and we will insert file name in uppercase. Okay, document 1. So like this we will insert some information. And if you want to insert company logo, for this I will go to here, insert, and bitmap image. Okay, we can insert a logo also here by creating it in paint. Simply I created this logo and will click on this logo will be inserted here, say in front of text, and it is like a logo will be inserted in our document. So all these things we will do in later. After this, at bottom we have to insert this. Before we have to insert signature, so we will click on this signature line. Okay, and we'll write name of the signers like this, and example position of the signers, and email address, and okay. After this we will click on this cross button, so it will ask to save this document. Okay, we will save this document. Yes, desktop, I select this document, my file. I save this document by the name of my file. Now we have to select an image. I already have an image of signature in my system, so I will go select image. This is the signature image. First of all we have to write scan a sign, and we have to keep in system as image. So I already have these 3 images, signature images. I will click on select any one of them and click on select and sign. That sign will be added to my document like this. After adding of this sign, this document become final, means nothing will work in it. All option has been disabled, because once after the sign in a document, sign is uneditable. We cannot change anything. Otherwise that document will be will not be confidential. But still then if you want to make some changes in it, or we want to do some editing, we can do it. If you want to close this signatures window, we can close either from here, or we'll go to here, prepare and view signature, it will be closed, and again we'll go to here, prepare and mark as final. We will close this option. Yes, as soon as this option is closed, all option has been enabled. Now if we want to do some changes, we can do but we can look the effect of that. It will say invalid signature, because once after signature you have make some changes in the document, so it is not valid document now. So after insertion of signature, document become disabled, and editing is not possible in that, but in that document. But if we'll do some editing, those signature will be considered as invalid signature. So like this we can insert signature in a document as I explained, and along with this I also explain you what is the use of quick part and how it can be insert, what is date, time and object. All these things also I explain in this document. I hope this this video will be helpful for you, but still then if you have some query or any problem, you can ask me through comment. If it is helpful for you, please like this video and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.